Good evening, everybody. Doing another status update on the data scan here. I've implemented action tabs as per the Android HIG. As a test here, I've gone ahead and implemented the More Info section as one of the tabs. This may actually move to a context-sensitive menu button, I'm not sure yet. But for now, demonstrating it as is. We have a currently playing movie right now with cover art here on the left. We go ahead and, of course, as before, we can go into other parts of the playlist by selecting the Show Playlist button here. But also now we have the ability to select More Info, or a tab from the top here. In this case, More Info, which shows the attributes of the currently playing movie: title, episode, genre, all the performers, etc. And it's a flickable list here. Once we get more attributes into the system, of course, we can take and populate performer pictures, etc. One thing to note is that I go ahead and try to manage the views as best as I possibly can. So if you are looking at the playlist, for example, and you go into More Info, it will automatically shift over the cover art view to be consistent with the rest of the display. If you switch back to the Now Playing view, the playlist will come back into view, bringing the Now Playing thumbnail over to the top right as before. And of course, if we select another movie, all the attributes and everything update appropriately. And this one doesn't seem to have any real attributes here, so we only grab the title in this case. Selecting another. And so on. Now, it's worth noting, especially, if a synopsis actually exists, I'll go ahead and select a movie here that I know has a synopsis as an example here. Let's say, for example, Batman Begins. We reload, cover art, everything back in place. And now we actually see a synopsis section in the lower left-hand corner. Still a couple bugs to work out on the flickable here, but those are easily enough to fix. And of course, there's enough attributes over on the right-hand side that you can take and scroll the flick. And as a final example here, I will go ahead and select some audio here. So you can see the difference, especially since audio tracks typically don't have a synopsis of their own and are formatted slightly differently. You'll see the differences when viewing audio-based media. Okay. Now you'll notice that I'm actually doing this right now because I don't have any sort of screen management or any other way to select other bits of media inside my skin at the moment. So I'm having to use the existing Orbiter here to help bootstrap the existing screen. Cover art, again, playlist. More info. And as you can see, no synopsis goes down here below. So there you go. That's the current status. Next up on the list, implementing the volume and lighting control dialog boxes. Until next time.